Did you know the man who brought down the British Empire was once too shy to speak in court without feigning? Gandhi was a nervous young lawyer in London who could barely string two words together in public. But everything changed on one cold night in South Africa. He was thrown off a train despite having a first-class ticket. His only crime? Being Indian. Sitting alone in that freezing station, he didn't plot revenge. He discovered something far more powerful. He called it Satyagraha, truth force, the idea that you could defeat injustice without throwing a single punch. Gandhi turned his own suffering into a weapon the British couldn't fight back against. When he fasted, they couldn't beat him with clubs. When he marched for salt, they couldn't stop him with armies. He proved that real strength isn't about overpowering others. It's about staying true to your principles when the whole world tells you to quit. Gandhi said it best, "My life is my message. Your actions speak louder than your words ever will." The question is, what message is your life sending?